So let's talk technicals. Jay Thakkar is here. Jay, 18,500, do you think this will turn out to be a good support, and even 44, 43,800, 43,900 for the Bank Nifty, or this time we may actually take a deeper knock on the downside?
Hi, very good afternoon to you, Ajay. See, overall, as far as Nifty is concerned, yes, 18,500 on an intraday perspective is important. On a positional perspective, I would say 18,400 is the very important support. So, medium term or a short term reversal will be below 18,400. That will be confirmed below, I would say, rather below 18,400, because if that happens, so then Nifty, is definitely going to correct the entire rise from 16,800 to maybe 18,650, 660. That is what we have seen until, yesterday. And for Bank Nifty, that level, that crucial level, Ajay, I would say is 43,700. I mean, I would say for the short-term reversal. From an intraday perspective, it has already broken the support of 44,000. So let's see on a closing basis if it manages to hold on to 44,000, bounces back, then there is a possibility that it can get into that upward or upper end of the range, which is 43, 44, 300, 44, 500. But then closing above 44 would be important. So the strategy for the day should be a bull call spread wherein one can buy right now, maybe a covered call on a futures wherein you can buy right now and also selling the higher call options so that you are hedged. So in case there is no bounce, the loss is limited because you're already trading below the crucial support level of 44,000 there on Bank Nifty.
Small cap, mid cap side of the market, any trading ideas there?
Yeah, absolutely. I would say that overall mid cap index has definitely given a very nice breakout above the levels of 33,000 and moreover above the levels of 33,200. So that has confirmed the long-term breakout. In fact, we have seen mid cap rallying for almost 9 odd weeks, consecutive positive closes, what we have seen. So there can be some profit booking, of course, but now on the lower side on mid cap, 33,000 is an immediate support until it's trading above those levels. I would say that the overall trend will be bullish out there. And as far as the Nifty small cap index is concerned, 10,200, 10,300 is the range to watch out for. A close about 10,300 would thereafter get a breakout like that of Nifty mid cap. Couple of stock or ideas which I like as far as the mid cap, small cap ideas are concerned. So one among that is FL India. I mean, the stock is trading around the levels of 950. The kind of positive divergence which we are seeing on the daily charts and the kind of bullish crossover that we have seen on the weekly charts out here, I think the stock is ripe for a bounce back. On the upside, we can see the levels of almost 1,000 to 1,040 in the near term. On the lower side now, 915, 1.5 will be a good support level. So FL can be bought at the current market price, targeting 1,000 to 140. I mean, that is where we are seeing good amount of reversal coming in.
Jay, what
Yeah.
about, let's talk about some of the mid cap, small caps which appear to be breaking out. One is NRB Bearings. It was up yesterday 10%, other 15% today. Is this breakout? What kind of levels can be seen in this one?
Well, yeah, RB Bearings has definitely seen a good reversal. I would say yesterday, today. In fact, the stock is trading in a range, and in that process, I would say it has formed a symmetrical triangular pattern. So on the upside, it's got a target of around 178 in the near term, and above those levels we can see 185. So breakout would be confirmed above 185 only. Till then, it's just trading within this range 185 to on the lower side 125.
And one more stock that we should talk about is Eureka Forbes. Post its numbers, we've seen that run up coming in yesterday up 12%, today up almost 8 to 9% as well. What are the indications on charts for this one?
As far as this stock is concerned, we have a very less, I would say, data as far as this stock is concerned. However, on the lower side, I would say that for this stock, 468 in the near term is a very crucial support for this stock. And until those levels are held, it can bounce back. Otherwise, it's just into a consolidating range, I would say. On the upside, around 510, 550, 520, and on the lower side, around 400 50 to 470. That's the range within which this stock is trading. But I would say that for the short to medium term, once the consolidation is over, we can see a good upward momentum.
Yeah, thanks very much for joining us with your picks and some section of the market which appear to be breaking out.